do the right thing even when no one is looking. It's called integrity. The best thing about telling the truth is that you don't have to remember what you said. You may fall in love with the beauty of someone, but remember that finally you have to live with the character, not the beauty. Be with someone who is proud to have you. If you can learn self-control, you can master anything. Never show your weakness to the world, because world is much interested to play with it. There are 4 very important words in life: love, honesty, truth, and respect. Without these in your life, you have nothing. Self-control is strength, right thought is mastery, calmness is power. Life is beautiful. One day, 1 hour, and 1 minute will not come again in your entire life. Avoid fights, angriness, and speak lovely to every person. Nothing in this world is permanent, not even our troubles. Overthinking is the biggest cause of unhappiness. Your thoughts influence your feelings influence your actions create the life that you live. If you don't go after what you want, you will never have it. If you don't ask, the answer is always no. If you don't step forward, you are always in the same place. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. The root of all suffering is attachment. Never wish them pain. That's not who you are. If they caused you pain, they must have been inside. Wish them healing. That's what they need. Always be thankful for what you have. Many people have nothing. Impress people with your soul, not the things you have. Everything heals. Your body heals. Your heart heals. The mind heals. Wounds heal. Your soul repairs itself. Your happiness is always going to come back. Use your voice for kindness, your ears for compassion, your hands for charity, your mind for truth, and your heart for love. Happiness is not the absence of problems, it's the ability to deal with them. If you light a lamp for someone else, it will also brighten your path. If you can't do anything about it, then let it go. Don't be a prisoner to things you can't change. You only live once. False. You live every day. You only die once. Change is never painful. Only the resistance to change is painful. If you can stay positive in a negative situation, you win. Don't treat people as bad as they are. Treat them as good as you are. Do not get upset with people or situations, both are powerless without your reaction. Words are like keys. If you choose them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. It is not selfish to do what is best for you. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. Win in your mind and you will win in your reality. A mistake that makes you humble is better than an achievement that makes you arrogant. The 6 phase doctors: sunshine, water, rest, air, exercise, and diet. People were created to be loved. Things were created to be used. The reason why the world is in chaos is because things are being loved and people are being used. Sometimes things that hurt you most teach you the greatest lessons in life. Standing alone is better than standing with people who don't value you. Buddha was asked, "What have you gained from meditation?" He replied, "Nothing." However, Buddha said, "Let me tell you what I lost: anger, anxiety, depression, insecurity, fear of old age and death. If you can't change a situation, change your perception of it. Remember, most of your stress comes from the way you respond, not the way life is. There are 2 ways to be happy: change your situation or change your mindset towards it. Thank you so much for watching, and to get more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Stay blessed and have a nice day.